Hello, Tubesters. To my, well, if I have any, Muslim subscribers, Eid Mubarak. Ramadan's over and done with. I've come to get a midnight snack since last time I ate was about 4 o'clock. Sorry, 3:30, 4 o'clock, yeah. And it's what? You can see that? 11 o'clock now. Nothing wrong with a bit of Mackey's, is it? Yeah. I'm waiting for my food to be delivered. These guys said to me it's going to be a few minutes, or what the heck. Whilst they bring my food, lovely people, I'm going to make a video for you guys. And Bossman here is on his lunch break. I might be doing a takeaway delivery for Uber or just the. So yeah, I thought I'd make a quick video whilst I'm waiting. Don't know really much to say. I seen a few holidays for sale. Start again. Seen a few holidays. As for going to Japan, I've got money, but I'm thinking of going to Morocco or Paris first. Yeah, thinking of going to Morocco or Paris first. Might have both, I don't know. Then take it from there, I guess. Seen some really cheap can't speak today, can I? Seen some really cheap hotels for 3 nights. For 3 nights, private host, about £126. That's not including the fee what you have to pay for being a tourist. Sorry, I'm trying to think. £66 to go on the flight, and I think coming back on the flight is where they get you. £140. I'm like, are you on drugs? 140 quid. So I'm gonna keep researching on that. See if I can get a better deal. And if not, then I'm going to have to just cough up, aren't I? As for work, I'm planning to go back next month. So next month, it's only 2 days away. Excuse me. Yeah, 11 o'clock at night, man. I hope you guys remember to put your clocks forward. Unless it's done automatically. So yeah, I want to have a city break before I go away. Bossman's coming out. And yeah, see what happens from there. Sorry, I'm really tired today. I woke up early, I think 5:30 this morning. And it was bloody windy, and when your car's shaking like that, it's just either rocks you to sleep or it bloody wakes you up. As for me, it bloody wakes me up. Yeah. My head's hurting me. I'm supposed to have some tablets on me, yeah. Trying to find them. If not, then there's a petrol station up there. If you can see it, I'm going to zoom in. Shell petrol station, you can tell by the bloody sign. The clam thing, or Shell. And yeah, take it from there, see what happens, see if I can get some tablets. Sorry, I'm really struggling for words today, so my video's going to be all over the place. It won't make sense at all. Yeah, hoping to have 2, if not 3 holidays this year. And like I say, if I do go to Japan, if I go the cheapest way possible, which is going to take 36 hours, 36 friggin' hours, yeah? Reason being is not only, well, it's actually going to take longer if I come to think of it. Like, pack this car up at my friend's yard, at Fletcher's yard. From there, it's going to take me 20 minutes to get into Sheffield bus station, since the bus is what I want to catch to Heathrow Airport. Don't go to his area of Vickersley in Rotherham. So it's going to take me 20 minutes from his house to get dropped off to bus station. Wait at bus station. It's going to take me, I don't know, 5 hours on the cheapest bloody transport going, which is going to be about £8 on Flexbus or Megabus, National Express maybe. Then obviously you got waiting at Heathrow Airport, because last time I went, my flight was at 11:30 a.m. And anyway, that's a different story. My flight got delayed, I think about half an hour or something stupid. And from there, my flight went from Heathrow Airport to Frankfurt in Germany. Then there's about 12-hour flight from there to Haneda in Japan. And Haneda in Japan, I had to catch another metro, Japanese metro, to Omori Kaigen, where I was in Japan. And then Omori Kaigen, obviously because I've never been to Japan before, I got lost. And I got to my hotel, and it was like 10 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, that's a story for a different day. If I find the videos, I'll upload them. But in the meantime, I'm going to get some lunch and dinner. I'll catch you guys later, yeah? Ta-da.